Hey, what's going on?
Not much, baby. Here to pick up a Rolex.
Nice. Do you see? So what did we do to your Rolex?
You did a full service on it, and you had it polished, and made it look brand new again.
Yeah, and by the way, this is Aaron. He works at
Hi.
the Porsche dealer in Woodland Hills. So if you need a Porsche, and they're also building this beautiful building out there, huh? Tell us about that.
We got this like 270,000 square foot building. It's going to be the biggest in the United States. It's huge, 3-story. We're number one in the country for Taycan sales. We're going to be number one in the country, period. So, you need a Porsche? Come see us. You need some killer jewelry? Come see this.
So you heard him. The Porsche dealer in Woodland Hills. Right off the freeway, you'll be able to see the building. But right now, they're still at the older building. Just Google it. You'll find them.
Rougher 101 on Canoga. Our new store will be between DeSoto and Winnica at the top of the hill next to the White House.
I like the chain. So you said you've had that for how long?
I think I bought this when I was like 15.
15.
And this little charm here, I got when I was 1 year old.
Wow. So you make money off that.
My mother
just wearing
sent this to me. It went missing, and she found it back in England at their house. Sent it to me like for Christmas.
I got to show you something real quick. This watch was totally beat up, and look at this Batman. So we restored the watch. I mean, it's not an old watch, but someone just definitely wore it a lot. But it's in pristine condition, completely overhauled, so it's ready to go.
Beautiful.
So thank you, Aaron. Really
Thank you
appreciate
too,
it.
man. You made the watch look brand spanking new again.
Awesome.
Now I have to bring you some more.
See you later.
Bye.